Your first question is, in which country does the Red River flow? These are your options. A. In China. B. In India. C. In Nepal. D. In Vietnam. Friends, if you already know the answer to any question, then tell us by commenting. The correct answer is D. In Vietnam. Your next question is, what was the childhood name of Gautam Buddha? These are your options. A. Rahul. B. Anand. C. Mahendra. D. Siddhartha. The correct answer is D. Siddhartha. Your next question is, which animal does not have coronavirus? These are your options. A. Bat. B. Cat. C. Dog. D. Rat. The correct answer is D. Rat. Your next question is, which animal does not have a tongue in its mouth? These are your options. A. Lion. B. Elephant. C. Monkey. D. Crocodile. The correct answer is D. Crocodile. Your next question is, which bird can separate water from milk? These are your options. A. Swan. B. Peacock. C. Eagle. D. Pigeon. The correct answer is A. Swan. Your next question is, which is the first country in the world to provide delivery by drone? These are your options. A. China. B. India. C. Japan. D. Australia. The correct answer is D. Australia. Your next question is, where is the largest zoo of India? These are your options. A. Chennai. B. Kerala. C. Jaipur. D. New Delhi. The correct answer is A. Chennai. Your next question is, where is the strongest bone in the human body? These are your options. A. Thigh. B. Hand. C. Of foot. D. Waist. The correct answer is A. Thigh. Your next question is, where did the Jallianwala Bagh massacre take place? These are your options. A. In Delhi. B. In Jaipur. C. In Amritsar. D. In Kolkata. The correct answer is C. In Amritsar. Your next question is, due to deficiency of which vitamin hair turns grey? These are your options. A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin A. D. Vitamin B. The correct answer is D. Vitamin B. Your next question is, which is the first TV serial of India? These are your options. A. Mother-in-law and daughter-in-law. B. We. C. Ramayana. D. Mahabharata. The correct answer is B. We. Your next question is, which disease is caused by smoking cigarettes? These are your options. A. TB. B. Smallpox. C. Cancer. D. Malaria. The correct answer is C. Cancer. Your next question is, in which country there is not a single cinema hall? These are your options. A. Russia. B. China. C. Bhutan. D. Saudi Arabia. The correct answer is C. Bhutan. Your next question is, Rangoli is the main art of which state of India? These are your options. A. Kerala. B. Delhi. C. Maharashtra. D. Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is C. Maharashtra. Your next question is, how many marriages did Gandhiji have? These are your options. A. 4. B. 3. C. 1. D. 2. The correct answer is C. 1. Your next question is, where is white apple found? These are your options. A. In China. B. In India. C. Tibet. D. In America. The correct answer is A. In China. Your last question is, which country in the world does not celebrate Independence Day? These are your options. A. England. B. Japan. C. Nepal. D. America. Friends, please tell the correct answer to this question by commenting. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.